morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, the 23rd of April, 2021, and here we are now at 8:30 a.m. So the bombshell, or was it? Nah. It was the first salvo from President Biden yesterday about the capital gain tax and raising the tax level on the highest of the taxpayers. Now remember, in the highest levels of taxpayers, there's a lot of loopholes too. So if you get to that number, I just wonder how much you've actually saved before you even got there. But trying to get to a 39.6% capital gain, forget it. It sounds great. He kept a campaign pledge. He's gotten to the people and the Democrats, oh yeah, this is great. Look what he said. He's doing what he said. And it'll be tamed down dramatically if it even happens. It might just open the door for more of an estate tax and other taxes, and that's left alone. It's the opening salvo. Don't get all bent out of shape about it. It would be my opinion on it. Are we going to see the stock market probably waffle because of it? Yeah, we saw that yesterday, and you're still getting a lot of that today. The dollar index, though, isn't going up. It's down. Most currencies are up. The gold market got as high today, approaching that key 1,800 level. The silver market's still acting good. I'm going to move to the July silver now on this, so say goodbye to May. In the copper market, here you are in the 430s. So I'm going to stick with the argument. Wait till you see what the world's going to look like now. And you don't have to wait. You're going to anticipate the wait, and that's why they're called futures markets as we come out of the COVID situation. When you look at the day's data, Market Group's going to release their U.S. preliminary April manufacturing and service sector PMI this morning at 845. The index at 80, they're looking for the index at 60.5 compared to the 59.1 in the last report. New home sales coming out this morning, and that's at 9 o'clock. They're looking for them only up 14.5% month over month. However, the prior month sales were down 18%, and I question if that didn't have something to do with that cold spell. If you come in like these numbers are even hotter, that's all that it was. Japanese economic data just sort of sits where it's been. It doesn't really move one way or the other. The Eurozone, though, is a giant waiting to be let out of its cage. If you look at these numbers, the numbers are good. Even in the UK, where they shut everything down, this was during March when it was shut down, their sales left by 5.4%. They're not in that lockdown anymore. So what you're seeing is the world economic powers that get the vaccines. That's a big important statement that I'm making. They are the ones that can jump. You get to a country like India, second most populous country in the world, they're being totally overrun by the situation. It's poor management of COVID. It's terrible decisions by the leadership there. If you look at the videos of the holidays that have gone on and all the people jumping into the rivers and getting together into the streets, I know this firsthand from my good friends. You don't see masks. You see them shoulder to shoulder. It's a breeding ground for the problem. So we'll see what that does. So it's going to be an interesting day, and I want to remind you that one of the things that I love to teach are new ways to look at things. And my course on enhanced Bollinger Bands, that's it. If you know what a Bollinger Band is and understand the algorithm, I'm going to take you to another level with it, a level that I've never taught before. This are things that I've learned over the past 3 to 5 years. There's stuff I've kept to myself, and now I've laid them down on paper. And you know what the beauty of it was? When I did it for you, it made my trade analysis even that much better. I know that sounds crazy, but once you can actually put things down, and I created 13 videos, each about 6-7 minutes long. In order to work with it, you can get a free trial to our charting software so that your numbers exactly match what mine's doing. You see what I'm doing, you come in with there, and of course every morning in my subscriber videos, I harp on this over and over. How do you take a look-see before you even lay down $1? It's not expensive. It's no more than $75. If you're a subscriber to my other research, it's $60. Just go to our website, under the word education, you'll see what's there. I think you'll find that for a penny in grains, for in gold, a ½ cent, that's what it costs roughly, okay? Maybe a little bit more than that. you get something that's going to last with you quite a while, and you're going to look at Bollinger Bands, I think, a bit different. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great weekend. I'll see you all Monday morning, and of course this afternoon when we do our market wrap-ups. Take care now.